Hello everyone! So nasa labas ako ngayon and I just wanna make this video kasi yung $15 daw na setup fee on Etsy is effective as of today. Actually, nakita ko na tong post na to before. Last week to in-announce ni Etsy na they will implement this soon pero wala silang sinabi na start date. So akala ko matagal-tagal pa pero yun nga, it is effective today, March 1, 2024. All sellers na mag-open pa lang ng shop sa Etsy, matcha-charge na po kayo ng $15. I know, sobrang sakit sa puso kasi $15 is $15. So parang nasa 800 to 900 pesos na rin yan and malaking money po yan. So dun sa mga old sellers na may shops na, don't worry, wala kayong babayaran na ganito, okay? This is only for new sellers na mag-open pa lang ng shop nila starting today. And I think this is Etsy's response dun sa mga scammers. May kakilala ako nakaka-open lang ng shop a week ago and may na-receive na siya na more than 10 messages from scammers sa Etsy na Etsy support daw sila, na kailangan daw i-verify yung bank account nila. And they usually target new shops at sobrang dami na talagang scammers sa Etsy. Wala namang ganyan last year nung nag-start ako. Also, Etsy wants to have sellers sa platform nila na serious sa pagbebenta. Marami kasi na, okay, mag-open ako ng shop today and then I will post one product or two products. And then a week or a month after, papabayaan na nila and they just quit and nandun lang yung shops nila. But yeah, I'm really, really sorry to tell this news, but don't worry. Pwede pa rin kayo magbenta sa Racket at PH free of charge. And I think next week or in the next 2 weeks, I will release a Racket PH course, parang mini course about Racket PH. And yes, I will be the one to teach kasi girl, top racketer tayo ng Feb 2024. So yun lang, bye-bye.